grade cello players, we're working further in our Sound Innovations book. We're on numbers 29 and 30. It is mostly a review for the basses and the violin players though, because it's working on reviewing their E string notes. But it's always good practice for us. It's working on our D and our A string notes. So here we go. Number 29.
E string review.
Let's play number 30. It is in 3/4, so that means there's 3 beats per measure, and so you're going to hear 3 clicks before we start, instead of our normal 4.
E string waltz.
Hope that helps with you practicing. Happy practicing. Bye, cello players.